Hey, good afternoon. This is Tim at JH Barkau & Sons in Cedarville. My phone number is 815-718-9288. And here is a 2012 GMC Sierra SLE 2500 heavy duty. Has a 6.6 Duramax, 132,000 miles. Z71 off-road package, so it has off-road wheels, shocks, skid plates, factory remote start. Has a front bench, so it has a 6-passenger seating. Has the adjustable trailer tow mirrors. It's a 4-door crew. New tires with the aluminum alloy wheels. Aftermarket splash or factory splash installed splash guards. Reverse sensing. Has the Z82 GM heavy duty trailer tow package with the oil cooler, trans cooler, integrated controller. It's 2 previous owners. Really nice truck. It's in Summit White with the fog lights, projector beam headlights. Has a bug buster on it. 6.6 Duramax. It's been through our service department. We fully inspected and serviced it. 6-way power seat. Integrated brake controller. Driver information. Automatic headlamps, fog lights, driver daylight running lights. Has Bluetooth hands-free phone, auto track 4-wheel drive, power adjustable pedals, reverse sensing, StabiliTrak, engine brake, dual zone climate control, AM/FM radio with CD. Also has an auxiliary input for an MP3 player, and it has XM satellite radio. OnStar, which you get free as a 90-day trial. HomeLink for your remote garage door opener. Secret compartment down underneath with a 12-volt power point. Lots of storage in the center console. So it's here at the Cedarville store. 2012 GMC Sierra SLE 2500 long wheelbase. Has an 8-foot box, 4-door crew cab with the trailer tow mirrors, trailer tow package, and the 6.6 Duramax. It's available today as an internet one price special of $29,952. Truck books for like $32,000. It's on sale for $29,952 today. Please feel free to give me a call and give you more information or set up a time to check it out. 815-718-9288 or email tborder@barkau.com. tborder@barkau, barku.com. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.